I talk different, like I reformatted my system. Took the old hard disk out, put a new disk in. Raised my awareness with meditation and deep breathing. Now the vision is clearer like a view from the 16th. The God I've been praying for in a while is in the middle. Doesn't live in the church building, but lives within. God's will. Uchechukwu. Obstacles na bịara onye moto, bịara onye jokwu. The difference is to mean what you say and say what you mean, and the universe ain't wake option but to react to your energy. That's what you are. You can shine in the day and beautify the night. Be a star, there is no competition. You are unique the way you are. It doesn't matter the atoms in yourselves, it's why you matter. Do you know? Uchechukwu, decide what you want, then tagide yeze. Konya kukwele nyonye nona kuko. Konye shiri kona foto. Konye kuro kona toto. Umbe kuru koja boji. Ega kabaru. Kineme Uchechukwu. Your will is God's will. Then get ready to take on the world like an info. Keeping up and walking in silence like the intro. Make agina chedema. Makachi azo. Ibian with confidence. Onya wono bochi yana chia so. Confidence wani jachoku. Mbe yana dia so. Confidence with the open all doors. Or the miracle. Confidence ne mending wene yabo. Nde jamato. Come with your own shovel like a serious gold digger. Prepare your mind to go deep and go deeper. Cause the battle that lies ahead is not for the weak ones. Love yourself enough. Negative energy detox. Whatever love you give unconditionally returns back to you. I mean, it's up to you. Whatever that you decide, just know it's possible. The feelings you feel inside is more audible. Atachalamo kwa jeze, nothing else remain. Onye babere ki GPS yaba. Onye tunyo waye chiche bibige jidaka. Onye zopuku ya malite chie tinyaka. Onye nemwego onye flow ya nanya geri aja. Unconditional love that I've ever had is from my mother. Only man that ever sacrifices all was my father. Now you know. Afam Uchechukwu.